Unfortunately, I'm going to miss the bus that gets to be early, so I'm going to be late. I was rushing around and then I looked at the bus check and I was like, damn, I'm not going to make it. I hate the buses around here sometimes. I hate relying on buses, period, but Tom's at the gym, so what can you do? Nothing. I was doing so well with time, like where the hell did the time go? I'm just using the Gimme Brow to volumise my brows. Oh, that's definitely a fly. So just catch the little hairs, damn it. You know, this makes a nice subtle difference when I don't have like pomade underneath. When I do, I don't really notice the difference. Put another layer of mascara on. You can really see the lashes. I've actually been avoiding lashes in this weather, but because of allergies. Mascara could definitely irritate my eyes. I think because pollen gets stuck on your lashes. The second coat definitely makes a bigger difference. But like, I don't know. I don't think I'll ever get the length I want unless I use something like, you know, those growth serums that Rapid Lash and Lilash and all that. Oh, I've got to say, from rushing, it's really aggravated my pain. Got to power through, but like not in a wacky way. That's gonna like really hurt. Just gonna take some bronzer and do down the sides of my nose to sort of minimise the big splotchiness of what do you call it? Concealer. Now I'm going to take my loose powder and powder just gets everywhere, it's annoying. I'm going to take my duo fibre brush so that, because I need the powder to be like a loose, small layer. Otherwise I look cakey. Like people are like, oh, put it where you get oily. And I'm oily everywhere. Except for under my eyes, weirdly. So I never set my under eye powder. Oh, this is the, it might might look like a big layer of powder, but it really isn't, because the brush doesn't hold that much and it's not very dense. And that sound you can hear is me shaking off the excess. It's probably quite a lot of powder in general, but for me it's not. I don't like to put too much on my nose as well, because it gets textured and cakey and whatnot. I think I've lightly gone over everywhere. Put that lid on carefully. I hate how it gets around the edges. Did I say that was my Coty S1 powder? I don't think so. But yeah, it is. It's translucent. I'm going to do another layer of highlighter since I've got more time. You know, I used to have great time management skills. I don't know what happened. I blame it on fibro. Add in the Becca Shimmer and Skin Perfector pressed highlighter in Opal. Give me that shine. Like this on top of the Iconic London. This is muy bueno. Saw Jordan Lipscomb put hers up here, so I was like, wow, I like to put on lots, so let's get them up. Why am I putting on my chin? I don't want to highlight my chin. It's supposed to be on the Cupid's bow. Put a tiny bit under my... Sorry, my voice just trailed off then. Let's get some lippy on. This is the Too Faced Borderline, which is see-through, just to stop the colour bleeding. So I'm going to take a bit of powder from there, a highlighter from there down, because I've got a spot there. It's like, why did I highlight it? Fly is annoying. Yeah, lipstick. I should use gloss in the summer, because it's just gonna disappear anyway. Yeah, because I've got to drink lots to stay hydrated. All that. I'm going to use the Incredible Shook to the Core range. The colour is Not Your Average Bird. It's very pink, very sparkly. This does have a bit of colour to it as well, so that's nice. Just see that fly come close to my face. Trying to ignore it. Like, all these rooms in the house are empty and it has to come in here with me. pretty, glossy, juicy. And then setting spray, all nighter. That's me done. Look at my hair, all curly and frizzy from, first of all, how hot it is, and second, mostly from the spa. So I had to get wet. Apparently I didn't leave a brush in here. I'll just put this up out of the way. I'm gonna wear a more ordinary looking headband. Although sometimes I do wear that one outside. But I feel it kind of ruins the makeup look, so. What do you think? Quite pleased with how this turned out. And I definitely recommend the p.louise base that has not creased. Like, I had that little line earlier, but since I put the eyeshadow over it, it hasn't creased again. Let's get really close so you can see. I'm really happy with that mascara as well. It's quite subtle, but I think it looks really nice. So join me again next time. What I think I'm going to be doing, like when I did the sunset inspired, I'm going to do, was it moon inspired? Stardust and sparkles, like my brother Isaiah suggested. I'll have more time to do that one. So, bye! Oh no, wait, that Starburst one's going to have after the next one. Unless I do it tomorrow or Friday, because obviously next makeup I'm probably going to film is Saturday, so get ready with me. Yeah, anyway, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye!